Hello everyone, welcome back to another game of the Winter Rescue Modpack. So in the previous episode, we made the steamwork generator. Basically, this is what we made. So this will help us give automation power, meaning to say it's basically like the steam engine. Okay, but it's much different. So here we have the fluid tank. The pump will take the water in, and then you go into this boiler, to which the chamber will heat up the water to steam. Then this pump will bring it here. Then it will go here and it will start spinning. And once it spins, it will spin the entire thing for me. So it really needs to hand crank it first. But anyways, so in today's episode, we are going to gather more resources, make more of these biscuits. So that means we probably need to chop more trees, either that or we're just going to millstone it away. But we haven't really had the chance to test out this contraption, so I'm gonna test it now, and well, let's see if it works, because it didn't really make the flywheel move, but we'll see. So I just figured out what went wrong. The previous contraption was wrong. So basically, I'm supposed to put the flywheel one block away from the front steam engine, so it makes this little piston moving thing. And so I have to hand crank it first, so that there will be steam in here. Once that happens, it will start to crank itself, and then it will pump more water in, and so on. Yeah. So, for my mistake, this is the actual design. So you need one flywheel here, the steam engine, and then you put the bronze boiler here right on top of the bronze burning chamber. Then you need to have a pump so that you can pump water into the boiler. Fluid pipe, or you can don't put the pipe at all. Then you have a tank and another fluid pipe with a mechanical pump. And I did the other side where there's two gears connecting this. And then there's a vertical gearbox connected to this, which also connects to the mechanical pump and connecting to the flywheel, and it has a hand crank. So this connects to the hand flywheel and the hand crank, so that when I crank it up, it will start turning and pumping water into the boiler. And then the steam will go here into the bronze flywheel, and the bronze flywheel will start turning itself, so then it will start cooking up the steam for itself. So it will start self-sustaining. So yeah, that is the machine. However, I think we're gonna need a lot of resources for this, because 3 charcoal and it's already dead. So it uses a lot of fuel, I'm not gonna lie. So we're going to be gathering more resources today, particularly the raw iron material. I think I'm really good on the logs, though I would prefer to make more, so let's focus on making more of the logs first. Okay, so here's the game plan. We are going to start this machine up and feed it some fuel. So then once I get enough of the millstone grinding into the sawdust. So once I get this machine running and get more sawdust, then we'll feed it more fuel for it to run, and then let it continue to chop down and grind up the wood so I can get more sawdust. So we're just gonna do that. But first of all, I'm gonna need fuel. Probably gonna have to get coke full. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna make more fuel for the machine. Okay, so it turns out we do not even need a hand crank at all. Just need to drop in some fuel and it'll start running. Pretty cool, I would say so. But other than that, most importantly, the millstone is running. And not bad, to be honest. I'm probably gonna have to make more because it's gonna run out soon. Yeah, it's gonna run out real soon. Yeah, see? So I think I'm gonna make more millstones. So yeah, making more millstones can help with efficiency. So I'm just gonna do just that. Okay, we just got ourselves another millstone. Yeah, so I'm still trying to learn how to make better fuel for this. Yep, there it goes. And there goes the chamber. It's gonna collect our sticks. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, we got a lot of sawdust from that. So pretty neat. Just throw this in here, let it do its thing. Okay, so I just discovered a way to make paper. So if you look at the sawdust and we go to mixing, we just need water, sawdust, sorry, wrong. We just need water, clay ball, and sawdust to make pulp. This is then we need to heat it up using the bulk furnace, blast furnace. So yeah, it turns out it's not that difficult. Oh my gosh, I thought we had to go through a lot of systems. I'm so sorry for the confusion, guys. Really, I was really thinking if there's an easier way, but turns out there isn't. But there is a way, an easier way actually. So I do apologize for the confusion. So yeah, I'll go and process this crystal sawdust right now. So I'll be right back. See you all in a minute. I want to get the generator efficiency as fast as possible, so that you know it will be much easier. Do you put it that way? Because I want to grow my own trees. Yeah, and to do that, we're gonna need the generator. I'm not sure whether dirt permafrost will do. I don't think it will. Put this in the corner. Yeah, so let's go and prepare for a mining spree, because looking at our materials, we don't have a lot of routine, so I'm probably going to get more of that. If we can get more coal, because coal is pretty neat. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit to finish preparation for a mining spree. Thankfully, we learned how to make paper. So yeah, and the blizzard is coming. Seems like the blizzard is coming real soon, maybe in about 1 day. So yeah, we're gonna need to prepare for that. But we probably can go underground and mine. Okay, I'm ready. It's set. Let's go and mine for more materials. Ah wait, I forgot to bring my prospecting tool. There we go. Drink some more water. There goes that fire. Okay, so for our prospecting tools, we got ourselves a good pickaxe. So let's start mining. Just this. More tin. Lots of tin. Okay, we just finished mining and we got quite some stuff. We got redstone, altite, backsaw, gold, iron, lapis, some platin, zinc, magnesium, and coal. I guess that wraps up for our trip. Not too bad for this trip. The blizzard is coming, so we probably should prepare. But other than that, I think we are doing well so far. Yes, let me just empty out and clear my inventory a bit, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I just finished sorting my inventory, and I think we did pretty good today. We've made a lot of fuel. I mean, made a lot. This is the most I've ever made. We also figure out how to use the engine. I mean, the steam engine. Blizzard is coming soon, so yeah. We also went to the mines and mined out a lot of materials, so that's pretty good too. I'm pretty proud of today. So yep, that wraps up for today, and see you in the next episode. Okay, we did quite a lot. In the next episode, we probably will start trying to make more paper and then research the generator efficiency. But for now, this is it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video. This is Day 52 signing out. Okay, if you do like my video so far, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Say, hey, I like your videos. Thanks. And thanks so much. If you do, it really helps me, shows me that my videos are loved and supported, and I'll continue to improve. Okay, if you have any feedbacks, you can type it down in the comment section. I'll take a look, see where I can go improve. But other than that, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Day 52 signing out. Bye.